Hey everybody, it's Molly. I am going to do a satin enamel coated baster injection. I've already put my paint into the cup. I'm just gonna pour it out with no regard to design, but this mixture that's on the bottom here is the half satin enamel, half Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. I'm just gonna pour along. I'll have all my colors and everything in the description. Oh, I like that little drop that happened there. Maybe I'll put the rest of the paint right there. Now I'm just gonna move this around and see what happens. This table is like too small for, see, these things always fall. Let me get this situated. It's because I've been painting all day and these are sticky. So I'm just gonna move this around. I'll leave a little bit of negative space. Loving the way this looks. You know, there's another artist, Heather Mader Art, who's been doing a lot of experimentation with the satin acrylics. She's really cool. You guys should check her out. Oh, I am loving these colors together. Guys, I think that may be all I want to do to this painting. If I'm being honest. I really just love the effect exactly the way that it is. That may have been a short video there. And then I will, let me just drag that down to the bottom. And let me look at this corner right there. That already had some white on it, so I'm not like super worried about that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this alone, just the way that it is. My gold again got lost. There's a tiny little bit of it right there. We'll see what white pops up from underneath from having the enamel as the coat, the base coat, and I'll bring you guys back so that you can see how it looks at the end. All right? Okay, thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye. Okay, hi you guys. So, this is how she's drying. You can see down in here, it's still kind of wet in the middle, but I love those little bubbles that popped up. And their little rings on the outside. I love it. So there's that kind of cloudy effect. I left more floetrol in there so you can see the color is a little bit more floetrol, more acrylic flow. In the middle, the white paint, the Artist Loft acrylic flow. So it's kind of opaque, but then it creates that little line around the center. It's morning, you guys. I can't really think right now. But there she is. I love it. All right. See you guys later. Happy painting. Bye.